try something a little bit different today. We've got the new 300 Sherco. Carl's been out doing the photos. Carl, opinion?
Very nice.
Lekker bike. He's the tech geek, and we recently acquired a drone. We're going to try and follow me, but I've got to warn you, Carl, I'm very fast. You're not going to be able to keep up.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried.
You're going to try. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see how this works out. You ready, Freddy?
Yeah.
A little bit moist. So Carl, was that the bike or was it you? Or are you just having a little rest?
I just thought, you know, after that little time there, I'd just take a little break.
Okay, tell me, quick one. What's your opinion on the Sherco 300?
It feels very high quality, you know. Brakes are good, suspension's amazing as well. And just climbing up, it's so light and nimble. You can really maneuver it around. It's very good.
Cool. Okay, off you go.
I'll try. I just need momentum. What's fine?
You're on the edge there. Smash bang in the way, sorry. We're going to do laps.
Alright.
You've done one in fast now, 119. You can do one in soft now. Okay, so
Soft,
fast
alright.
mode. Are you in soft mode now?
Yes.
Soft mode, okay, put into soft mode. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. 113.89. Not too shabby, eh? Okay, is it my turn now?
Yeah.
Right, let's see. Okay, so we got our little rocky copy loop here. Carl's managed 113 and he did it with the bike in the soft setting. So I put it into fast now. I don't know how clever that is. When you say go, push the button. Let's see what time I get, okay?
Okay, just check everything's alright.
Everything's good, I'm ready
Okay,
to roll.
start your bike and then I'll start the time. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Kyle, your dad's gonna beat your time, buddy.
Winner, chicken dinner! Woo!
Okay.
That was good. I felt it. It's much. Listen, guys, the power difference between soft and hard. Hard, whatever they call it. But perky is lovely. It's good power. Eh?
Very nice.
Okay, how did I manage?
Okay, you did really well.
Come on, you're kidding me here.
Very well. Very, very well.
Okay, come on now.
2 minutes
Ah, come on.
and 25 seconds. I forgot to stop the timer, but 2 minutes 25 seconds I saw. Excellent.
No cheating.
But you're O-toppy, Dad.
I'm going home. Bye.